Thế nào cái chào ơi. See this. Oh, look at it. You should come see. Yeah. You got that whole thing. Look at this all yummy.
Water coming in. Yo, people, look at this shit. Crazy. Look at this fucking water. Look. Gone! Gone! Look at that! Less than 40 seconds, that shit is gone.
No, it's not a joke, it's spot. This is real stuff here. It changed it, yo. Real stuff. My boat just above them three there. All the boats are above. Wow. Mad stuff. Yeah, Tarek, that's the Christmas tree. But she survived on a hurricane. Let's see her survive this. this, man. This is gonna be bad. We still got it coming for us. Yeah, if this reach Miami, if this hit any part of the US like this, it's gonna be disastrous. They're gonna be traffic. That is real stuff out there. Louis was a high wind. This is a hurricane.
All the people of France, look, cars under there, look. Look, people there, people house. Oui. C'est comme ils sont fait là, Emilio. C'est bien, je vais rester là. Le papa fond. Le papa. Que de l'eau. Restez là, bébé, restez là. Restez là, bébé, restez là. Ils sont là, ils vont rester. Ne bougez pas. C'est bon?
Il a filmé ça là-bas, il a dit qu'elle est là-bas.
God, don't be with that thing. Look by my house. Look by my house. That was first one. Finish yet. Look back. Oh my God, look over here. Oh my God, my mother put. God bless you with us. Save FM. Save FM. Oh my God, my life. Oh my mother. This cyclone or make history.
This is Hurricane Irma. This is what it did for us, to us. We are at Pelican at the moment, and if I zoom in, I want to show you the damage. Look, all the trees are down. Look at this. Look at up here. Look at the room up there. They are gone. All the roofs are gone. Look over here, if I may zoom in. My husband Jeep is total loss. Total loss. But what? We have life. And we are grateful to God. God is good. Who is smoking? Who is smoking? Hello? Who is smoking? No, you cannot smoke, ma'am. You cannot smoke this time. We have a disaster. You don't know if it have gas leak. We cannot do no smoking. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Why you be with a newspaper? Look at this. Look at this. I don't know how this get here. This is by the entrance of the security. Look here. This. From here. Tyrone. Oh, that's too low. I wanted you to take a thing, but it's okay. This is gone, but this is it.